Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this video that's gonna be my dog having a fit, throwing a fit. It's gonna be me decorating my fourth room. This room used to be my beauty room and now it is something totally different. And sweetie, honey, that is my cat. Let me fix that. Apparently there was a leaf there. Can I help you? Animals all over the place. I'm gonna show you how I turned my old beauty room till this like cozy reading area. I'm gonna start out with the room being, let's be honest, a freaking mess, and I'm gonna show you like us getting rid of things, putting things together. This did start out being pretty much an empty room that we just used for some storage. These clips are gathered from weeks and weeks and weeks. It took us about 2 months to get this room in order. So it's like different lightings and different makeup and different everything. But yeah, it's gonna be... Everybody wants to show their butts. Sweetie. It's gonna be basically a mixture of clips showing us getting this room together, and I'm super excited to be showing you. I hope you enjoy these kind of videos. If you do, let me know down in the comments. I can totally try and film some more if I can figure out what kind of themes I want to do. But yeah, that's enough blabbering from me. If you want to see how we did get this beautiful room in order, stay tuned. It's starting right now. Hey Tesla. This is what the room looks like right now. I'm here. Hi. So this used to be my beauty room. This is a computer that Ricardo is building for your, I don't know, like stepbrother, I guess. This is a dresser that we're keeping in here. All of the pillows that we're not keeping in here. And this, I don't want to call it painting, but like, I don't know, tapestry? Decoration. That one is just hanging on 2 hooks that I used to have my mirror on, so that's not going to be like that. And then it's our Christmas decorations. Those are obviously not going to be there. It's a cat. Sweetie, can I help you? Hey? She's like, if I don't move, she won't know I'm here. The guitars are just going to be moved to the side. These are Ricardo's guitars. I'm keeping the shelves here because I'm going to have a reading share here. So we actually got the drapes today. So I'm going to put in the drapes. And I say I mean we. We're gonna put in the drapes and that's gonna be the first step. I also did order a rug. And when we moved all of these stuff out of here, this is his hockey equipment and the towel we used to clean Tesla when it's been raining outside. What? Why am I showing you these things? This makes no sense. Okay, let me put the drapes up. So we're putting the, I don't know what this is called. Sweetie, can I help you? I don't know what this is called in English. The drapery pole. I don't think that's it. We're putting these drapes up. They're like burgundy ones. Okay, mission successful. Is it gonna be like that?
Yeah, done.
Okay. So this is what it looks like with the drapes. I really like the drapes. Everything is looking so light in this room in this video, but it's like not this light at all. But I mean, guess that's a good thing. So that is step number 1. We're actually going to put up some new drapes in the other rooms as well, because I bought some like mustardy velvet drapes. Very pretty. Maybe I'll show you a picture somewhere, like Instagram stories or something. Let me know if you want to see that as well. So yeah, I'll get back to you once I have something more to get into this room. Okay, so the bench has arrived and it's it's very big. That's what she said, but that's gonna go in here in the corner. And we still have some things left here, but we'll get to that. And our shoe rack is in here right now as well, because if we leave it out, there is a risk that Tesla will eat on it when we are at work. So it's gonna go here, and this is still the hockey things. So we'll see if we can fit it here. Okay, so it's on its spot, and I think I said this before, but this is obviously going to be moved up so it fits this better. Also, we did move the light that we had here, because that is actually in the living room. We just had it there over Christmas because we had some Christmas lights up. I'm also going to remove all of the things that are on the shelf here, and then there's going to be a little, what is it called? like reading chair. And the rug, we can go and fix the rug. Everything is like here right now, and look at this mayhem after taking all of the things out. Look at this one. Are you enjoying yourself? Are you enjoying yourself, sweetie? That's a yes. So we have to go and throw all of this, but at least this is pretty, as long as we get this. Okay, so we got the rug. I've been ordering the rug from this place, Ellos. It's a very Swedish, I think, place. The wooden bench is also from Ellos. So I'm gonna unfold this and we'll see what it looks like. How do you feel about my sexy pants? This is parts for a computer that Ricardo is building. So I'm gonna put this rug out and we'll see how it looks like. Okay, so this is what the rug looks like. It is a blue and white rug with like an orange fringe. I really like that. I think it's super cool, and since the floor is not that fun, to be honest, this is what we're going with. So we put it under the furniture that's actually supposed to be here. These are gonna move over here, and we're gonna have the reading chair here in the corner. But I really think that, like, I'm backing out a bit, I really think that this rug is really good for this room. So I'll get back to you when I have something more to share. Okay, so I've been to IKEA today. I bought the lamp. I also bought 2 frames. I'm actually gonna put these up. And I bought these posters from Desenio, which is, I think, a Swedish place where you buy posters. I will put a link to that down below. We also moved this one up a bit so it looks a bit better. This is still not in order, and this is a mess. This is going back in. Got the chair. So it's still not fixed. See, it's a bit of a mess here. And this is the rest of the chair. And the doggo. Hi, sweetie. I got it in this color. It's like a burgundy red. It's really pretty. Are you gonna like it? Are you gonna like it? Aww. Cutie. I also got this one, and Ricardo already assembled it because I'm gonna put that instead. I'm moving you. Oh, you see this mess? I'm gonna have that in instead of the red one that I have here right now, so I can put the laptop that I'm using as a monitor on the table. So that is the plan. I have been filming. I'm also going to move this into the other room. So let's assemble this. Hopefully we'll make it work and we can move some of these things down and get rid of this mess. Sweetie, we're trying to do something here. I'm not sure you're helping. Are you helping? Are you helping, sweetie? I don't think you're helping. So this is going to be the color of it, but right now it's occupied. You want me to dress it with you in it? Aw, sweetheart, you'll have to move. Okay, come. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, I think we're done for today. It's late, but I mean, we're almost done. Also note my very sexy yellow fleece pants. I'm gonna obviously do more things. I'm gonna fix this corner right here. I'm gonna do some more things here. There's gonna be some things here, but I'll come back when I have more things to show you. It's gonna be in a little bit. Well, for you it's gonna be in 2 secs, so be right back. Okay, so this is what the room looks like right now. Put the lights up just so we can see a bit. Oh, here's the kitty. Hi, sweetie. I have cleared up the shelves. We have put the guitars up. Everything is like all nice and neat here. I put some things here. I'm gonna go today and buy some little plants to put in these. There's a book that my fiance is reading, and we put up like the paintings here. I also fixed a bit here. I'm gonna buy, these are some books that I'm just gonna see if I can either put on these shelves. I put them together pretty neatly. I don't think I'll be keeping those there though. I think I'll be changing that up a bit. This is what it looks like, and here's the light. And I am gonna buy a lamp to put here. I'm also gonna go and fix that. I don't know if I'm keeping the mirror here. Let me see if I can back out a bit and you can see what it looks like. Just had a hook there and I just put it there. It's not called a hook, a nail. I had a nail, so I put it, I thought I'd put a nail on. Let me see if I can. Hello! So I am going out. I'm going. Why is this so? Okay, maybe like that. I'm going vlog style. I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna go and buy some plants for those little pot things. Potty, no. Stop it. And I'm also gonna go and buy the lamp. The dog is up. The cat is. But yeah, I'm gonna take you along and we'll buy the last things and then I'm gonna organize this room so it will be all done because I'm so excited. It's so pretty. And here comes the dog. He always does this. He just puts his head on like on whatever. Are you bored, sweetie? Mm-hmm. Aw, does he need cleaning? They're so cute together. Okay, now we're going out. So these are the ones I'm thinking about getting. Like, do you see on the picture? You just hang a light bulb. So I'm thinking about getting this one because I know they have some really cute bulbs like this one. And also, where's the other one? Because I saw a really cute one. Oh yeah, like these ones. But I already have one of these though. Maybe I should have another one. I like this one. Maybe this is the one I want. Okay, so I'm back home and I brought the 3 little pots that I want to like. These are just old. I used to put flowers in them before. These are just old like marmalade jars. They're a bit janky, but I like that. I like the, well, as you can see, I like the somewhat janky style. I think that that's cute. I like when things look, you know, like you live there. And I have the plants here and I decided to buy this one. This bulb, it's like a bit yellow tint and it's got some like this diamond. It's like old. It looks like an old crystal ball thing. I really like it. I decided to buy this one and then a copper color together with the copper one. So I'm gonna put all of these together. Let me open these so you can see which ones I got. So these are the ones I got. It's like little plants that are gonna go in these. Oh, this one has some dirt that's fallen out. You see, this one is actually a cacti, a cactus, cacti. It's like one cactus, more cacti, right? Okay, so it's a cactus. And I thought it was a really cool color to just contrast a bit in these. So I'm gonna put these in. I'm gonna have to use some paper when I put this in so I don't hurt myself. And I'll put them in and I'll show you what it looks like when you have it all in. Okay, so this is what they look like right now. I think that this looks cute. This is my style, but yeah. I was gonna say, let me know in the comments, but you know what? Don't let me know in the comments. I'm fine either way. I am gonna put these in the right spot. I'm also gonna put the lamp in the right spot and I'll show you how it all comes together. Okay, so I put up the lamp. It's right here now. I love this. So cute. I also put the books here because I don't really know. Books aren't ugly. They can live there for a bit. I also moved these over here because on this shelf I decided to put this plant instead. These are plastics because I don't want to water things that are like on the walls, because if I end up spilling, which is something that I always do, at least I won't be spilling on like the walls or the books or the like magazines. But yeah, that is the finished thing, and these are the little potted plants, and I will try and like let you know where all of these things are from down below. It's some of these are old, some of these are from Swedish stores, but I'll still let you know where these things are from. So if you are interested, you can find them. But that is the finished room. This is how the last room is looking now that we have finished decorating. I am really pleased with how it looks, and I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. And if you did, please let me know down in the comments. I do read and try to answer as many of my comments as possible. I do read all of them though. And yeah, I will see you in my next video, which is going to be real soon. I don't do many like home decor lifestyle things though, but if you want to see more things like this, let me know. Maybe I can cook something else up. But yeah, that was everything for this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye!